of monsoon from North Point Residential School, Silguri, and lately we have started a new section which we call Students Diary, wherein we are going to go randomly to students and gonna ask fun questions related to monsoon since it is a monsoon season. And as I can see, while I was strolling around, I saw these four girls from class 8-9 who were very eager to speak about monsoon. So let's go and hear from them whether they like the monsoon or not. Personally, if you ask me, I love the monsoon season because it is a moment where you enjoy the chai and fritters. Let's see, do they have the same point of view or not? If I can interrupt you for a second, good afternoon, how are you?
Fine.
Fine, okay, so see, I saw you all speaking. What I wanted to ask you is, since we all know it's a monsoon season, so we may have a different perspective. Some people may like monsoon, may not like monsoon. Okay, so I just want to ask you from your personal perspective, do you like monsoon or you don't like monsoon? And if you don't like monsoon, why you don't like monsoon?
Sir, I don't like monsoon because monsoon is thrill and fun, but at the same time, cases of malaria, chikungunya, etc. are on rapid rise.
Right. Apart from that, we saw the rainfall. When there is a massive rainfall, we have landslides coming. Recent event of Wayanad tragedy. Those things are so. Yeah, monsoon has a benefit on the same time. At the same time, it had disadvantages. So. I'm moving on to the next person who may want to speak in for regarding monsoon. So the same question to you. What do you think about monsoon? What is your take on monsoon? Do you like monsoon or you don't like monsoon?
Yes, sir, I do like monsoon because it increases the interdisciplinary skills of the student as it keeps our brain calm, and that's very helpful for us. And in other way, we can say that it also boosts the agriculture. That is very good for the plants.
Yeah, it refreshes the entire environment. Out of the four seasons, this monsoon season is very important because it not only boosts the agriculture, at the same time it brings the greenery back, and it is very important to maintain the balance in the four season cycle. So moving on, we have this another wonderful, brilliant student, and who might want to add more to this. Better, the same question goes to you regarding monsoon. Add some more points. Do you like the monsoon or you don't like the monsoon?
Sir, I don't like monsoon because it is very problematic to travel because the street is flooded.
Right.
Even we are not able to come to school,
Okay.
and
These are the
we are not able to go outside and play.
And very important things. Even during the games period, we are not able to play, right?
Yes,
I think
sir.
that is the main concern regarding games period when students loves to play because of the rainfall. The rain god always seems to interrupt and somehow cancels the game HPE period. So that is one disadvantage. But apart from that, the cool environment which we are enjoying right now after a very hectic and tiring summer season, I think this is something which we enjoy. And one more thing. What I like about monsoon is chai and fritters. Do you like the same? I think that is something which we all agree on, right? Although liking or disliking is something different, but chai and pakoda is something which we all enjoy. So moving on, we have a last candidate who's going to speak regarding monsoon. Beta, first of all, good afternoon. You seem very confident and, patiently waiting for her turn to speak. So I pass on the mic to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I like monsoon.
Okay.
In some cases, like the tapping of the rain, it sounds very good, and it also gives a greenish look to our environment.
Absolutely.
And the smell of soil is very nice.
petrichor.
Yes.
Yeah, petrichor. The first smell of the soil, it has a kind of fragrance which nothing can duplicate, right? So we enjoy. Apart from that, is there anything you want to add on to why do you like monsoon?
Yes, all the plants look fresh and greenish also.
All right.
And flowers when they blow,
Starts
it
starts blooming.
look
So
beautiful.
it looks beautiful. So overall, as per your view, it adds more beauty to the environment, bring more fresh environment to the nature. And yes, there it is. This is a monsoon segment. So we had a perspective from this four lovely student from class 8-9 who were very courageous in speaking in terms of monsoon. And thank you girls for sharing your view, and keep enjoying the monsoon whether you like it or not. Thank you.